The flu epidemic on the move this evening, touching every part of this country, even regions that had been spared from the worst of it. And tonight, just one image that helps paint the picture of so much misery. This is a Google map of where people have been searching online to learn anything they can about the flu. The searches began in the southeast, where it first hit hard, stretching across the country westward to California, which is now bracing for its arrival. That's where mobile units are being put in place tonight, preparing for what this week will bring. Just as we get an exclusive look tonight inside a hospital in Boston, back on the other side of the country, where a growing number of children are fighting this flu. We begin tonight here with ABC's John Schriffen.
Tonight, these young faces are among the most vulnerable.
I don't even want to know what the flu would do to him.
Our team at Nightline with rare inside access at Boston Children's Hospital, where the staff has kicked into overdrive, wearing masks, trying to treat the seemingly endless line of little patients.
Hopefully, the doctors here can make me better.
This year, even the healthiest adults are catching the flu. We asked our viewers to tell us how they're getting through it. Danya from Washington, D.C. decided not to get the flu shot and got sick for 5 days.
Nursing myself at home, drinking Gatorade, keeping hydrated, and I was out for an entire week.
Lisa out in Los Angeles also didn't get the vaccine. Now she's on day 5 with the flu.
Seems to be getting worse, not better. Spent 6 hours in the emergency room with my dad in Burbank on Friday night. There were hundreds of people in and out of that emergency room with the same thing.
Frankie from New York says he got the flu shot, but didn't get sick, even though his neighbors and aunt have it.
It felt like I was getting a bad beating, and I wound up with a bad headache. But that only lasted like 2 or 3 days.
Out west, they're bracing for a spike in the flu. In Los Angeles, mobile clinics like these will be stocked with flu vaccine and sent out into neighborhoods. In Portland, clinics were packed after city pharmacies and doctors ran out of the vaccine. And if someone in your own family is coming down with flu symptoms, doctors advise avoid waiting here in the emergency room. Instead, call your own doctor first.